Hey everyone, welcome to Green Cross Chronicles. Today, let's talk about something that's right above us every day, the sun. Ever wondered what's that big glowing ball in the sky? Let's dive in and explore everything you need to know about our star, the sun. First things first, the sun is the central star of our solar system and the primary source of energy for life on Earth. It's a massive, nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma. Mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, the sun undergoes nuclear fusion at its core. This fusion is what generates the energy that powers our solar system. So here are some basic facts about the sun. It's a G-type main sequence star, also known as a yellow dwarf. Its diameter? A whopping 1.39 million kilometers. The sun's mass is about 330,000 times that of Earth. The surface temperature? Around 5,500 degrees Celsius, while the core burns at a scorching 15 million degrees Celsius. It's roughly 4.6 billion years old, with a lifespan of about 10 billion years. Now let's break down the structure of the sun. At its core, nuclear fusion converts hydrogen into helium, releasing immense energy. Surrounding the core, we have the radiative zone, where energy moves outwards through radiation. Further out, the convective zone transports energy through convection currents. The photosphere is the visible surface, emitting the light we see. Above it, the chromosphere appears reddish during solar eclipses. And the outermost layer, the corona, extends millions of kilometers into space and is much hotter than the photosphere. The sun's composition is mainly hydrogen, about 74%, and helium, about 24%, with traces of heavier elements like oxygen and carbon. The nuclear fusion process in the core is what keeps the sun shining bright. So what's the role of the sun in our solar system? Its gravitational pull holds everything together: planets, moons, comets, and asteroids. It provides the light and heat essential for life on Earth and drives our weather, climate, and ecosystems. The sun also emits solar wind, streams of charged particles that influence planetary magnetic fields. Now, for some interesting features of the sun. Sunspots are dark, cooler regions on the sun's surface caused by magnetic activity. Solar flares are sudden bursts of energy that release radiation across the spectrum. Coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, are large expulsions of plasma that can affect Earth's magnetosphere, leading to stunning auroras. Speaking of the sun's life cycle, it started as a nebula, then became a main sequence star. In about 5 billion years, it'll expand into a red giant and eventually shrink into a white dwarf. Over time, it'll cool and fade into a black dwarf, a stage not yet observed. The sun impacts Earth by driving photosynthesis, influencing our climate, and even challenging our technology with solar flares and CMEs. Future exploration includes missions like NASA's Parker Solar Probe and observatories like SOHO, which continuously monitor solar activity. In conclusion, the sun is the heart of our solar system and the driving force behind life on Earth. Understanding its structure, processes, and influence not only helps us appreciate its significance, but also aids in predicting the impacts of solar activity on our technology and life. As we continue to explore and learn, we'll gain deeper insights into our universe and our place within it. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.